Hey guys, it's Ivan. Welcome to the Coupon Camp. We are in Walmart and we're doing our Ibotta deals of this week. Now, the first thing that I am going to pick up is the Palmolive. We're going to get the yellow one, the antibacterial kills $2.98. You can do this up to, oh, that one is broke. Now I'm going to get this for $2.98 and get 75 cents back from Ibotta. I'm going to buy one of these. Okay, and here is the deal for the Palmolive right here, 75 cents back. You can do this up to 5 times. Okay, and the next deal we're going to do is the two Mr. Cleans. They are at $3.24. If you buy two of these, you must buy two. You get $4 back, and they can be the two pads. So I picked two of those up. Okay, we're up to $4.75 back in our bottle. And here is the Mr. Clean right here. Must buy two. You get $4 back. And it can do the two. I'm going to pick up is two micro bands. I like the multi-purpose cleaner. Guys, if my kids don't need this in school, I don't know who don't. It's $5.18. You must buy two in order to get the rebate back. So let's look at that. And here is the micro band right here. They're $5.18. You're going to get back $4.79, but you must buy two. And it is the multi-purpose or bathroom cleaner. Okay, so I grabbed the multi-purpose. You could do 232 ounces. And the ounces is right there. Right, and then you pick up two and they'll give you $4.79 back. Okay. Okay. $4.19. Okay, we're gonna grab one U-back Kotex 18 count balance. Okay, and here is the deal right here. You buy one. I bought the pads 18 count. It is any size. Pass liners, and you get $2 back. You do this up to 2 times. Okay, guys, and now let's get on to some food. And this is a great deal right here because it is a BOGO. This is Michelangelo's, and it is the pasta sauce. You get marinara or spaghetti sauce. It is $4.70. But look what we get back. So there it is. It is a BOGO. You must buy two. $4.48 back when you buy them. You can do this up to 1 time. So, of course, I am going to grab food because I have plenty of kids that eat spaghetti. Let's get on to our next food deal. Okay, next, guys, we're going to grab two Goya yellow rices. They're at $2.49. We're going to grab two of these. Okay, they have to be the 7 ounce. You can limit is 2 right there. And you get back 50 cents for 2 on each one. Okay, next thing we're going to do is the Pillsbury biscuits. They're $1.54. And you can get back $1. You can do this 5 times. It's any variety and any size. You can do it 5 times. So I am going to complete my 5 times right now. I put 5 in. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, $5 each, making these 54 cents each. I got the Spanish rice. I get 50 cents back on each box. The Michelangelo's, I get $4.48 back for those two. As you change if you need whenever you want to. I'm going to put this back because I really don't need this, but I know I need the microband. I know I need the Palmolive. I know I need the Mr. Clean and the liners. Okay, so these are going to go back, but I did show you the deal. Thank you. Deal I want to show you about, but it is not in the store. The Coca-Cola Ultimate. These are $1 for the 20 fluid ounce. It also qualifies for a bonus. You could do this 5 times. They should be $2.08. That's what the other Coca-Colas are, but you can redeem it up to 5 times. You have to buy the Coca-Cola. Now I would have went by this trademark, but I bought it. It's so funny. I don't want to pick it up and then it don't work. Okay, so let me see. Yeah. They want you to buy that ultimate though. Right. It's a good bonus right there. But I'll check and see. Okay. What we're gonna do, guys, is go over the deals. So we're gonna get $4.48 back from the Michelangelo, 50 cents each back for the Goya, $1 on each biscuit, any size. These are $1.58, making these 58 cents a piece. These is gonna come back $2. This I'm gonna get $4.48 back. This is going to be 75 cents. These are going to get me back $4 for buying two. Okay. Now the turkey meat, I'm going to use all of this on my Ibotta, but I'm going to do this separate. So I'm going to get this on Ibotta, all of this, and then I should make money back on Ibotta. I should get back $21, up to $21.75 on my Ibotta. Okay. And I have a $30 gift card that I'm going to use also. That gift card is going to come from Ibotta. Okay. Yeah, so we are at a Walmart doing our Ibotta coupon this week, which was fantastic. My products came up to $46.10. Yes, I have a very high tax bracket. You see that 10%? So $48.59. I use a $30 Walmart card, gift card that I got off my Ibotta account. So I pay $18.59. And today from Ibotta, I got back $21.52. So all my products was free plus a moneymaker. Plus it was a $3 moneymaker. So I am very proud of this deal, guys. If you all want to see more Walmart Ibotta deals, please let me know. Drop me an emoji, drop me a heart, so I'll know to bring you more of these deals. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Yeah, so I want to show you all how to use Ibotta. Now, you should download this app. So here's my Ibotta. This is my other phone, so I have an account of $38.48. Now, you're going to go to whatever store you want. In that case, we were just in Walmart. So you're going to hit Walmart. Now, it's important to hit what you were doing. Were you in the store, online, or buy Walmart gift card? So, of course, we were in the store this day. Then it's telling you it's easier if you link your account. Now, I didn't set up my Walmart, so I'm not going to link it on this phone. I'll do that another time, but I will do it so you guys can see it because it does give you accurate matching. As you can see, my matching was accurate on my in my deal because I had my account linked, and I do think it's better. Now, it's going to tell you things that's for you. You could buy it again, what's hot, your best value, new offers, any hour item, and then it's going to go into each category: pantry, personal produce. Start going down here, start hitting these things that you want. Then you don't have to submit your receipt if your account is linked. It is, if it's not, you're gonna have to submit your receipt afterwards. So you just hit the things that you want to do, okay? And then that is it for that. Here is my referral card right here. That is the link, okay? I will copy and paste it down in the bottom. In fact, I'm going to do 2 links. But if they'll give you 5 and you'll get 10, okay? Thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.